Hello po sa mga kababayan ko po na naghahanap ng trabaho. Meron po kaming nakaschedule na trabaho bukas. Cleaning company po ito. So, it's more on cleaning houses po and apartments. Ang office po nito is located in Setagaya Ward in Tokyo. Job timing for this po is from 8:30 to 1800, and ang salary naman is nasa 231,000 yen at may bonus din po ito. So again po, cleaning job po ito, more on cleaning houses and apartments. So sa mga gusto po mag-apply, bukas po ito nakaschedule for 17 Thursday. At meron din po kaming isa pa, ito naman is dairy farm job. So located naman po ito sa Maebashi City in Gunma. So, ang salary po nito is up to 330,000 yen. That's negotiable po during the interview. Ang nakalagay po sa JO namin is walang bonus, pero direct naman kasi yung interview sa company employer. So, you can negotiate po sa bonus and the salary also. So, basic Japanese is okay for this job po. So, nakaschedule din ito bukas, Thursday for 17 Thursday. So, ito po, dairy job po ito sa Gunma. Thank you.